Starting with the glorious and compassionate name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Hope you all are safe and sound. Let us start with our today's lecture. You know it very well. In the previous lecture, we also discussed the same content, the same topic, that was of MCQs, and the remaining MCQs we are going to discuss today. So let us start with our today's lecture. We are going to start with MCQ number 21. Clear? So that is, a dash could not but be gay in such a jocund company. So dash, author, poet, bard, man. Then part 22. I dash but little thought. I watched and watched. I saw and saw. I gazed and gazed. I stared and stared. So go for the correct option and solve it accordingly. Part 23. His coat, his dash coat needs mending. His dash coat needs mending. His tattered coat, his tattering coat, his tatter coat, his tatters coat needs mending. So go for the correct option, please. Then part 24. A dash stone gathers no moss. A rolling, a rolled, a roll, a rolls. Clear? Part 25. Let us move towards part number 25. He kept me, waited, waiting, wait, waits. Part 26. According to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, we are all dash and dash. Free and equal, free and the same, unequal and restricted, freed and unrestricted. Then part 27. We all have the dash to live. Chance, freedom, authority, right. Clear? Then part number 28. Nobody has the right to dash us, to tease us, to harm us, to hurt us, to torture us. So go for the correct one option. Clear? This is very simple. Take it as an activity, and then inshallah you are going to attempt a quiz in it very soon, a surprise quiz. Clear? Then part 29. We are all dash by the law. We are all saved. We are all safeguarded. We are all sheltered. We are all protected. Then part 30. Primary education should be dash, compulsory, free, obligatory, at no cost. Then part 32. The other communities living in Medina were the idol worshippers and the Jews, Hindus, Christians. This is idolaters. Clear? Then part 33. The new converts of Medina who helped the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Khatimun Nabiyyin, through thick and thin, were known as dash, Muhajirin, refugees, Ansar, faithful followers. Then part 34. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam first dash the tribal distinction, finished, washed out, abolished, eliminated, You know it very well which one is the correct option. Please go for that one. Clear? Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam knew that dash and support of all the sections of people were necessary for the creation of an Islamic empire. Unity, goodwill, freedom, coordination. Then part 36. He knew that tolerance was necessary when different dash lived together. When different people, when different tribes, when different races, when different communities. So select the correct option for it. Clear? Then part 37. If any signatory of the dash was attacked by an enemy, others would defend collectively. Please do the correction. This is defend. If any signatory of the dash was attacked by an enemy, others would defend collectively. Country, the charter, the community, the tribe. Then part 38. The Muslims, the Jews and other communities of this dash should be free to profess their own respective religion and perform religious ceremonies. The Muslims, the Jews and other communities of this dash should be free to profess their own respective religion and perform religious ceremonies. State, the options are state, of this Medina, of this republic, of this kingdom. So you know the best possible answer. Go for the suitable option and select that as its answer. Clear? And write it the way you attempted in the previous lecture. Clear? So same is the case with this lecture. Then part 39. The dash should be protected. This is very simple. The oppressed, the widows, the slaves, the poor. So select the best possible answer for it. And part 40. Henceforth, dash, murder. Please do the correction. This is murder. It is not inflected with ed. Clear? Henceforth, dash, murder and violence should be haram in Medina. Henceforth, dash, murder and violence should be haram in Medina. Stealing, the options are stealing, cruelties, bloodshed or killing. So please go for the suitable answers. Attempt it, do its practice again and again, go through the lectures again and again, as well as go through the units, the units as well as their exercises, book exercises. Clear? This practice is really very important for you in order to attempt objective part of your paper. Clear? This is enough for today. Please, your today's homework is to practice all these MCQs. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.